In this video, we're going to talk about how to divide big numbers by using long division. First, we have some steps. The steps are, first we divide, then multiply, then we will check the multiplication, then we subtract. After that, we check the remainder, then we bring down, and if we bring down a digit, we will repeat and go back to the first step. We will talk about the steps along the way. Now we have an example, 254 divided by 6. First, when the numbers are big like that, we directly write it as a long division. So this is the long division symbol. That one, this number, we call it dividend. The dividend will come inside the long division, so it will be 254. This one we call it divisor, means we divided by that number, so we write that one outside. Now I want you to go step by step. The first step is to divide. We take the first digit and we say 2 divided by 6. That one means how many 6 do we have inside 2 alone, which we don't have any. We write 0. Then we take the next digit to help us, so it will be 25 now. Now I want you to think 25 divided by 6. How many 6 can we fit inside 25? Or we can also find it by multiplication. We will think about the closest multiplication of 6, the divisor, that's equal or less than 25. It cannot be bigger. It's either equal or less than. For example, we have a multiplication which is 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Since 24 is less than 25 and it's the closest multiplication, that's why we write 4 here above the last digit that we are dividing, which is the 5. Then second step, we multiply. We say 4 times 6, which is 24. Then we will check. That check means we will check our product, the 24. That one cannot be bigger than the number above, so the 25. If it's bigger, that one means our quotient is wrong. We will change it and make it less. But since it's less than the number above, we will go to the next step, which is subtract. So we say 25 minus 24, which is 1. Then I will check again. This check means I'm looking at my remainder, which is that one, 1. The remainder cannot be bigger or equal to the divisor. So the remainder always should be less than the divisor. Since we have 1 and 1 is less than 6, we go to the next step. The next step was bring down. We bring down the next digit, which is 4. Now, when you bring down a digit, you will repeat all over again. What does that mean? It means we will go back to the first step and try to divide again. Now we have 14. 14 divided by 6, same. How many 6 can we fit inside 14? Or what is the closest multiplication of 6? That's equal or less than 14. We have 6 times 2. So we will write 2. Then we multiply not the whole quotient, only the new digit, which is the 2. We multiply the 2 to the divisor. So it will be 2 times 6, which is 12. Then we subtract it. It will be 2. Now we check again. Is the remainder less than the divisor? If yes, means it's correct. Then I'm gonna check, because the next step is bring down. Do I have anything else to bring down? No, so we will leave it like that. Now our quotient will be, we say 254 divide by 6. The quotient is that. This is the answer. So it's 42. And that one will be our remainder, which is 2. Then another example. Let's say we have 782 divided by 9. Same thing. We will write it as a long division first. Long division symbol. Then 782 divided by the divisor, which is 9. Now I'll do the same steps. 7 one digit at a time, because our divisor is one digit. 7 divided by 9, we cannot, so we write a 0 above the digit that we cannot divide. Why do we do that? Because we don't want to mix it, and when we divide 78, we don't want to write the answer here above the 7. Then we take the next digit, which will be, together it will be 78. Now 78 divided by 9. Same, how many 9s can we fit inside 78? Or we can think of a multiplication. 9 times what is the closest to 78? It should be equal or less than, not bigger. For example, if we write, let's say, we will write 9. Then 9 times 9 will be 81. This one we cannot do it. Remember the third step was it check. We have to check. Why do we check? Because of that. 78 minus 81, we cannot do it. When we cannot do it, that one means the 9 is wrong. We have to change it. We will change it to one number less, which is 8. Okay, then we will multiply. So it will be, 81 will be wrong also. 8 times 9, which is 72. Then I'm gonna check, is 78 bigger than 72? Yes. So we will proceed and subtract it. That one, 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now, is the remainder less than the divisor? Yes. So we can proceed and bring down the next digit, which is 2. Now we will repeat it. Since we bring down a digit, we will repeat and go to the first step, which was divide. We say 62 divide by 9. How many 9s do we have inside 62? The closest multiplication of 9 that's less than or equal to 62 is 9 times 6. And then we will multiply 6 times 9 is 54. Then we subtract it. 2 minus 4 we cannot. That 6 will be 5 and the 2 will be 12. Then 12 minus 4 will be 8. And 5 minus 5 will be 0. Now same. The remainder cannot be bigger or equal to the divisor. It should be less always. Is the remainder less than the divisor? Yes. So we can check. Do we have any more digits to bring down? No. We are finished. The answer will be this one. This one will be the quotient, which is 86. Then the remainder, we have a remainder which is 8. Now I want you to pause the video and try to solve that one yourself, because I'm gonna solve it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we have 653 divided by 7. We will write it as a long division. 653 divided by 7. Same, divide. 6 divided by 7, we cannot. We write a 0. The next digit, it will be 65. Now 65 divided by 7. The closest multiplication that we have of 7 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Okay, then we will check, can we do it? Yes, so we will proceed and say 65 minus 63, which is 2. Then we check, is the remainder less than the divisor? Yes, so bring down the next one. Now repeat, 23 divided by 7. Closest multiplication of 7 that's equal or less than 23 is 3. 3, then we multiply 3 times 7, which is 21. Then we check, can we do it? Yes, we subtract it. It will be 2. Is the remainder less than the divisor? Yes. So our answer will be 653 divided by 7. It will be 93. And the remainder will be 2.